right now.
Great. Vice principal in which school?
Yeah, yeah, it's here in Nepal.
Nepal.
It's
Which area?
Bhagwati, Nepal. So it's in Sindhuli. So it is in
Sindhuli. Okay. Yes, I
eastern part
received
of
your
Nepal.
inquiry today. I received your inquiry today in
Uh,
the morning.
okay, yeah, yeah, that was me. So
Yes.
actually, since last week, Mr. Rokaya, so he made me known about the program. But actually, because of my own internal stops, because of my problems, I could not attend all those sessions.
No issues, sir. Say this is what is whatever is written in your destiny, and you know what happens whenever we have some positive thoughts in our life. Whenever there is always a doubt.
Okay.
First thing, nature
Mm,
tries to
mm.
stop you. See, every new year we make plans, we make certain resolutions.
Exactly, exactly.
Yesterday we'll start
Yeah, yeah, sure.
jogging,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah,
start
yeah,
meditation.
yeah.
What happens the next day? No, let's leave.
uh,
Let's start from second day. Let's start from third day, and this continues. So every time, whenever a positive thought comes in your
yeah,
life,
yeah.
you'll always have a
So,
doubt regarding.
so better term so it's all about procrastination.
It's not procrastination, you can say, but yes, it is a nature which always, you know,
Uh,
it asks us to
uh,
think again, or it just,
yeah,
you can
yeah,
say,
yeah, yeah.
but this happens. See, if you have to go to a movie, you'll not think twice. You'll immediately
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
But if you have to go
yeah.
to the temple, you'll think twice. Should I go today? Oh, today there would be rush. Let me go tomorrow. So I'm not saying that yes, movies are wrong or movies are negative things, but it happens, right? Anything that is constructive, anything that is positive, there is always a doubt. You're going for an interview, everything you are ready, and what happens at the last moment? You start thinking, will I be able to clear it? There will be so many people. So even if
So
I avoid what, so this is human nature, right? This happens.
well, excuse me, sir. I have a query to you. Uh, thus I kept all the scenarios. So I missed all those sessions before. So I think you had dealt well with all the uh, candidates, but I missed all those queries. But actually, from Mr. Umesh
You can
Rokaya,
have, see,
so
whatever is coming in your mind, whatever queries you have now, you're free to ask
okay,
me now. See, this session
so
is particularly
mm,
just to have your queries.
mm,
So anything that is coming in your mind,
mm,
you can ask me, right? It's not
mm.
a that you need to think
And
it has been asked or not. Whatever is there in your mind, you can ask me.
so actually, actually, as I am an educator, I am related with this educational sector. So actually, I'm running a school. So as I went through your first day, this session seminar, so I went
Workshop,
to it was
first day workshop.
it's a workshop. I first day workshop. It's around 3 hour long. So I was going through from the beginning.
Okay, I'm just
Okay.
interrupting. Sorry.
Uh,
See, the workshop is 2 to 4, but
uh,
I it's open. Like if you have questions, I cannot stop in between.
yeah, sure, yeah, yeah,
That was the thing I was discussing with Umesh. You cannot see a video of 3 hours, but
yeah. Mm,
they all were sitting. If you just check the video again, if 10 people logged in, the same 10 were continuing up till 3 hours, 15 minutes. So
mm,
that means something was holding them back.
yeah.
See, this subject is so interesting that you cannot move out. And second thing,
Mm,
now it is a 2 days workshop. My
okay.
job is to give you the best. Now, if you have certain
Mm,
questions, see, I try to solve 50 to 100 questions every day. But if you have 51 or 10 more, I cannot say no. So my workshop
mm,
is always, it depends on the persons, the visitors, the guests. Because if you have questions, I will never say, okay, time over. No. So
That's
that
so
was the
nice of
reason,
you, sir.
right? So this Saturday also we have one workshop, and in that we'll be having staff from, because this Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir schools, all the
Okay.
schools from this Kerala, Maharashtra, they are going to
Okay.
participate, right? So
Okay.
it's very clear. I never say no. If you
Okay.
have
So
questions,
that's
I am there. Mr. Anil, you are from Anil Pandya.
Sir, I am from Dangadi Kailali, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you have any questions? You have any query, any doubts regarding Vedic mathematics? Anything you want to ask me? I think we should switch on our videos because it's a discussion time, right? And it becomes more comfortable for both of us. Veena, you have any doubts, Veena? You're teaching.
so well, sir. Can I keep one more query?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt. Just a minute, sir. I'll just turn on my
Okay.
camera. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, Mr. Amma, please.
So well, sir. So as I went through your video before, so I found a lots of interesting fact out there. So the most important thing these days, the fear of mathematics is growing day by day. So the same fear I have seen in my kids here in the school, and I'm feeling myself helpless to take these all kids or this fear of this mathematics from out of these kids' mind. So actually, I was trying on these all matter. Suddenly, I got these the stuffs like this Vedic mathematics. I came to in connection with your session. Then after an idea struck on me, and I'm thinking to incorporate this Vedic mathematics in general mathematics, how they are studying right now. So how can we link up this
Okay.
mathematics for the kids?
Now, let me see what is Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is not a different subject. Very first thing we should understand this. It is not a different subject. It is what makes your mathematics easy and faster. So we'll be teaching your mathematics, your curriculum, but in an easy and faster manner. Now, I'll give you the background. A child, when he is going to a preschool, he's very happy. Going there, enjoying poems, everything, coming back, very good, happy. The moment it is class first and or second, they start with tables. And that is where the fear starts. Why? Because now you cannot calculate tables or you cannot cram the tables. There we start with the habit of cramming. You stop that learning of the child and you ask them to cram. Now you ask the student to please stand up and tell me the table of 8, tell me the table of 9. Okay, it's up till 9. Anybody will try to learn. Then tell me a table of 14, 12, 13. And that fear gets started. So Vedic mathematics is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. Now, how it is? My question is very simple. Why do we need to cram all these tables? Because the methodology you followed. Now, for example, if you have to remember a table of 18, if you have to write a table of 18, you teach 18 plus 18. Now, 18 plus 18 means 8 plus 8 will give you 6 and 1 would be carryover. 36 done. Again, you will add 18. Then again, you will add 18. Now, every time carryovers, this is known as multiple carryovers. Here the students start getting confused because they cannot do it so quickly mentally. And see, whenever you stand on the stage and everybody is looking towards you, you automatically you start fearing it. So the fear in the child, it starts from your maths class actually, and it starts from the tables itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is the first time when a child starts fearing. So now in this Vedic maths, we have a very simple solution. We all know regarding place values.
Yes.
So why not to have the table separately? Write the table of 1, write the table of 8 and combine it, finish. No big calculations.
Smart idea.
Not even single book has ever advised this. And like you are saying, similarly, I'm training the government school teachers of Haryana. Now, government school teachers means they are getting a good salary. And about the government schools, they are least
Yeah.
bothered because
Yeah.
nobody is there to ask any questions. So first time when I took their class of workshop, they were like, why should we teach another method to the students? Why should we learn a new method at this age? I said, it's okay. It is your wish. See, today the time is what happened in Corona. Big businesses, everything failed. What was left? Only your knowledge was left. People who were into training, they were only left. Otherwise, all the business was down.
Yeah.
So your knowledge, your education will be with you always. So you have to upgrade yourself. You cannot think that why should I upgrade myself or why should I enhance my knowledge? There is no limit to it. Correct. Now, what happened after a few days? Now they are implementing the same thing in their schools. And when they found the difference in the child, then they started posting, yes, sir, this is good now. So see, change comes. And I've been taking now, this is 6th session and around 5th session with Nepal teachers and school owners. I'm not disappointed that you have questions or there is a problem. Why? Now there are 2 reasons behind fear of maths in Nepal. The first reason is your government has allowed to use calculators.
Yeah.
Now, if a child knows that why should I learn? Because I will get calculator. So why will he learn?
He's being dependent.
So that is what. And why I'm not disappointed, because this happened with our country also. See, this subject is not new. In 1962, he wrote the books. He gave us this beautiful subject, and we have adapted this in 2022. So many years after. So every change takes time. Now it is a part of our national education policy. So now people are rushing towards it. Right. Similarly, in the competitions. Now, in any competition, when you talk about any competition, there is always a race against time. So when it is a race against time, you need methods to be fast. And Vedic maths is the solution for that.
Yeah.
Any topic, anything, you want to go for addition, that is fast, that is mental. You want to go for multiplication, that is mental. You want to go for division, there, that is mental, for division by 2, 4, 8, 6, 5, the 9. Only 3 and 6 are a bit difficult. Otherwise, all the numbers can be done. Divisibility. Now, you don't have any solution to divisibility by 7 in normal mathematics. You can ask you are a vice principal. You can ask your math teacher tomorrow. Just ask him one question. How much time he needs to write a table of 89? And the answer would be 5 to 10 minutes. And a class 1 student of Vedic maths can write the same in 10 seconds. I'll share you the video of a school. They see, when we talk about the eligibility, I always say the minimum eligibility is 3rd class, so that a child has attained the age of 8 years. But one school in Bangalore, they said, no, we want to implement right from the class 1. I said, okay, it is your risk, but let us start. And the first day itself, you hear the wordings. The student says, I know table up till 9, 10 or 12 was the maximum. And after the class, after 1 hour session, everybody could do up till 89.
Oh,
So a
sure.
class, one student. Now see the difference. What would be the difference? See, two things you get from Vedic maths. One is transformation from fear to confidence. And the second is you attain that feeling of I can. Now, if you have that feeling in yourself, I can do something or I can, is anything impossible for you? That happens
Absolutely
with the
not.
child. That is, so the motive behind this is to give that confidence, to attain that feeling, yes, I can. And apart from this, it is a life-changing process. You see, just go for Google it. You'll say lot many research are going on this subject. Why? Because there are a number of factors related. The basic concept behind this is visual ability. It improves your visual ability, enhances your reasoning skills, and further develops your logics. A simple example is this. If I ask 574 into 121, 574 into 121, what will you do?
Definitely, I will write these numbers and I'll start multiplying 3 times, and then after I'll add, and then after I'll give the answer.
Correct.
It will take
Correct.
around 3-4 minutes.
Yes. Now, if I ask the same question from a Vedic math person, what you know what he'll do? 576 into 11. He'll give you 6336. Then into 11, 69696. Finish. So what happened? 121. He realizes, yes, it is something related to 11. Multiplication can be done mentally if it is 11. Even a 10-digit number you can multiply verbally. And so what happened? Visual ability, first thing you saw, yes, it is 11. You found the reason, yes, it can be done this way, and you applied the logic. So it is life-changing process. Similarly, anything comes across your life, any situation comes in your life, you'll first try visualize that problem, then you'll find the reason behind that, and then you'll apply a proper logic to it. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
In Art of
Yeah,
Living,
right.
now I'm associated to Art of Living also. I'm training all their teachers of all the schools. Nepal also, I have to come and give a lecture there. Now, so it is said like yoga, it heals your body. Meditation, it heals your soul. But at the same time, Vedic mathematics heals your academic performance. You bring any child who says, I don't like maths or I don't know maths, 15 minutes, just 15 minutes. That see what we need, we don't teach them anything. Just remove their fear. That's all. Things would be done.
So
Right.
nice. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, sir, absolutely. So, excuse me, so sir, so how can I get in touch with all those content? I have missed all those classes.
No, you have to register for the workshop. Now Saturday is a workshop. Umesh would be sending you the link for the workshop, because you won't be able. That is paid. It is not free of cost. So it is 199. I see.
So I did that registration, sir. Excuse me, I have done already. I paid for that registration.
You have paid.
Yeah, today I did my registration.
Today paid, so you just need to fill the form then. Umesh, please share the form, or I'll share my number also. I'll send you the WhatsApp. I'm sending you WhatsApp now.
So it would be my pleasure, sir, please. So because I'm very desperate to learn that.
No issue, sir.
So actually the workshop, sir, excuse me, actually the workshop which we are going to attend on this Saturday. So is it from the beginning? Again, we are going to start it?
No, very first thing, see, it will cover your, first is the fear factor. Fear factor is tables. So we'll clear the fear factor tables. Then fast multiplication, because you need to understand the fundamentals behind the speed. So that would be done through speed. Then on the second day, it would be scaring. Now scare and this, because the concept behind this workshop is that after this 2 days also, you can start teaching Vedic mathematics to the small kids. See, the motto of this workshop is learn lead, and start teaching. Right.
Oh.
So second day will start with scaring, then how to launch your classes, and then cubes. So it is. Oh, see, there are people, there are teachers who want first to start teaching, and then they want, yes, I'll then complete the course. So it is possible. So we do as per that. So you can fill the form and then.
Yes, sir. I got the information from Umesh, sir. So now I'm clear on this matter. So on Saturday, without fail, I will take your class.
Yes.
I'll be there.
Anil, please, this is the form. Umesh has shared right now. Yes, Veena, you had some queries.
Yes, sir, you cleared actually. Actually, many parents were asking why you cannot take from grade 1 because already you're teaching addition, subtraction in a easy way. Why you can't teach from grade 1? Many are asking, sir. So that's what I had a doubt. Can we start with the grade 1 also?
See, we can
Because
start.
small things, addition, multiplication, and easy way are there, no,
No,
sir?
have you seen the books now? Class 3rd.
No, sir, I didn't check.
I have shared the syllabus from that is from class 3rd to. See, we can teach, but what happens? Kids are kids. A class 1 kid is generally 5 years. Will he be doing
Yes, sir.
homework regularly?
Yeah, sir.
So that is the point, and we don't want. I don't want that they should, because see, what parents want, my child should become scientist in 1 month or become a calculator in 1 month.
True, sir.
I paid you, so they should become. Now, so what happens? That is the reason I always refuse. Yes, let them attain an age of 8 years. But this was a school. Now, school wanted to have advertisement. School wanted to show that yes, they have implemented. So
Yes.
it was obligation for me. Okay, I did it. It can be done. I don't say no. But
again comes that what, sir, because the grade 1 and grade 2 children mind, I don't think so they will not able to understand so many concepts and all. But addition, subtraction, and multiplication, I think they can. No, sir.
no, subtraction, no.
Oh.
See, first you will have to go with addition only. First thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Multiplication tables, then multiplication. Then once it is 2 months gone, because all these concepts will take around 1.5 to 2 months, then you
Yes,
have
sir.
to switch over to the. So first day you can start with introduction, the history. Second topic would be digit sum, so that their confidence rises, so that they should know how to recheck their answers, how to verify their answers. Then they should go with examples. Whatever methodology they are following, we'll see to that only. So digit sum, you have to show them the questions on addition also, subtraction also, multiplication also. Thereafter, you will be starting Vedic Mathematics multiplication tables. Then Vedic Mathematics addition. Then Vedic Mathematics multiplication. Then you'll go to Vedic Mathematics subtraction. So first, whatever they know will help them to verify that. If they have done addition, how can they verify? Because see, confidence, where will confidence come to a child? Now we all think, yes, Mr. Amar, we all say that addition is very easy. But remember your time. Did you get 100% marks at that time in maths?
No, sir.
So we should think of that age. When we were in class 1 and 2, did we get 100%? No. We had the doubt in same addition, which we are today saying it is very simple. So knowledge, it goes as per age. So there how do Vedic maths help there? It helps, it builds up the confidence by the method called digit sum.
Yes.
Now digit sum is how you can verify your answers. So once you have verified your answer, then you'll never go wrong, and that enhances, that boosts up your confidence. Anil,
yes, sir.
do you have what should be the payment? Anil, it is 199 IC or 320 Nepali currency. So both the methods, Mr. Umesh is there in Nepal. If you have to pay in Nepali currency, you can pay to him. He'll be sharing you the form. Umesh, Anil Pandya, please share details with him.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Hari Bhattarai. And one was KBM. Yes, you.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, sir. You are from
I'm from Nepal,
which area, sir?
from Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. What do you do?
I will.
मतलब हिंदी में कर लेते हैं बात, बताइए.
नहीं सर, मेरा नेट का प्रॉब्लम है. हम मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स साइंस में टीयू से, टिबेट यूनिवर्सिटी से.
Yes, I know. Any questions you have regarding Vedic mathematics?
Yeah, I've seen the post in Facebook, then I applied for that. So should.
So I might have shared you the details. आपको डिटेल्स आई थी मेरी तरफ से?
आई थी सर.
हाँ, और क्या जानना चाहते हैं, बोलिए.
जानना तो फिलहाल कुछ नहीं है सर, हम उसके बारे में थोड़ा और जानकारी लेंगे बाद में नेट से और पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे सर. ठीक
है. Okay, KBM, what's your name? You joined, I think you were the first to join, 8:45 only.
Yes, sir, Kishore.
Okay, Kishore. So, Kishore,
yes, sir.
That day you were there in last class, I think.
No, sir, I wasn't.
Okay.
This is
okay,
my
another
first session.
Kishore. Yes, sir. Tell me. You are also from Nepal?
Yes, sir. I'm also from Nepal.
Okay, which place, sir?
Dangadi.
Okay. Yes. So what do you do?
I'm a student.
A student of which class?
Of masters.
Masters in?
Management.
Great. Okay.
Thank you. And my question is, how does it take to understand the Vedic math?
How does it?
How much time does it take to be an expert in Vedic math? For us, who doesn't have any knowledge, regarding that, right?
See, maths is a vast subject. Now, one concept I can teach you within 5 minutes also, and you'll be expert in that. And you'll not use calculator for that after that. So, but it depends. Yet, total time, if you want, I generally give a teacher training program that is 65 hours, 60 to 65 hours.
Yes.
So 60 to 65 hours means if you are taking 2 hours class every alternate day, so that takes around 10 weeks. If it is only on Saturday, Sunday, that takes 15 weeks.
Course curriculum, what is your course curriculum? Around
you can share me your WhatsApp number. I'll just share you. It is a 6-step one. So all the details would be there.
Okay. Okay, we'll be talking later on.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Kishore Tiwari. Tell me.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. Yes. Any question? What are your questions? What are your doubts?
I just want to learn. I have already read the book about Bharati Krishna Tirthaji about Vedic mathematics, and just I'm interested about it while I'm reading there. But I could not get the right person to understand, to grab the concept of Vedic mathematics.
That book has been written by a scholar. It's very difficult to understand also.
Yes, I just Yabuduna tabuduna krite bargacha yojit. That hit me, you know.
All from 9. One is Nikhilam Sutram is all from 9, last from 10. There are so many sutras, right? So
16 sutras are there.
16
That's
sutras,
jolt.
yes.
That's jolt my mind, and I try to think many times about that.
Now the first, see, there are 3 steps. First step is you had some queries, you are clearing now. Second step is go for a workshop, a 2 days workshop. So many concepts would be clear.
I will join.
The third step would be, if you are thinking to make it as a career, if you want to think like I'll be training further, because see, in India, this is the biggest opportunity. Why? Because it has been added in national education policy, and because of that, every school would be in need of it, every student would be in need of it. And now talking about Nepal, this subject is very new to Nepal. So yes, even if you are giving, even if 1% or 0.1% of Nepalis, they start thinking to learn this, so see how many opportunities will come.
Yes, that's right.
Right.
That's right.
So it will grow only. And see, the best thing is, anything you do, if you are able to see the difference, if you are able to check, evaluate the, you can examine how much difference the person is getting, or how much benefit a person is getting. So every parent, every child can tell you within one session. And that is the reason why people love this subject. It's not too lengthy, because yes, if you go in depth, if you go for trigonometry, geometry, calculus, organic chemistry, it might take time. But if I talk about syllabus up till 9th class, 9th or 10th standard, so that covers all arithmetic, algebra parts. For that, 3 months is sufficient. Not 3 months, 65 hours is sufficient.
Yeah, that's right. So I'm so much eager to learn this, like you. I just read your biography and all the things. That's why I just interested to learn Vedic mathematics from you, Dr. Yogesh.
Definitely, I'll train. So first thing is sign up for the workshop.
Nowadays, I just realized my grandfather just leave me when I was a child. He's so expert in calculation, he mentally calculated everything.
See, not even your grandfather, everyone's. But now your grandchildren, they will not know even M of maths. Why? Because you say, you've given the calculators and you say, okay, you don't do mentally, take calculator.
Yes.
That's what I
teach my children about the calculation while ending in 5, See, I have learned technique from that Bharati Krishna Tirthaji's book.
Yes, that is multiplication of numbers which are ending with 5.
Yes, that's right.
Right. So that is for finding squares. Square of 15 is 225. Square of 25 is 625. So what happens? There is a first sutra is there that is known as Ikadikena. That means whatever is a number, one more than that. So if a number is ending with 5, so that means, suppose 15 is a number. Let's divide into 2 parts. Now 5 will always double to give 25. So 25 is fixed whenever number is ending with 5. Now whatever is the prior number, previous number or numbers, that will be multiplied with the next number. So 15 means 1 is multiplied by 2, that becomes 2 and 25. So 225. If it is 25, so 2 and 3, 6, 25. If it is 35, then it becomes 1, 2, 2, 5. It is 4. If it is 4, it becomes 20, 25. If it is 5, it becomes 30, 25. So this is, and not only single numbers. If it is 10, 105, so that becomes 11025. If it is 11, means 115, then it becomes 132 and then 25. So this is
Dr. Yogesh, there is also sutra number ending in 9. Also, there is sutra as well, you know.
Yes, that comes in your the scaring and all the numbers. See, for example, if you have to multiply with 9, 99 or 999, I'll just give you an example. If a number is, you have to multiply, let's say 888 into 999. So what is, again we divide into two parts, 888 minus 1. So that gives you 887. Now this 887, now you don't know the sutra, so I'll just tell you. Otherwise you have to calculate nikhilam or complement of 888. That is 112. So the answer is 887 112. Now even you cannot type on calculator this speed. So there are so many things. See that. So this you'll be learning in the workshop also. Cubing is one part. Cubing is very easy.
Dr. Yogesh, I just want to ask one thing. Shakuntala Devi is just by birth, she has that type of capacity of intuition or geniusness, or she used Vedic mathematics. What do you think about that?
Both. See, I'll tell you my history now. I was not a teacher. I was not a trainer. I was only a businessman. But COVID made me a teacher, an author. And if I can teach this subject within this 2 years, think she devoted her entire life. So you need to devote time. You need to devote your time. You'll be getting. You have to put your effort.
I just want to learn. I don't have any intention to just to be a teacher or something else, because I just want to learn.
See knowledge. See knowledge. If you keep knowledge with you, if you'll not share with anyone, how will it grow? You'll forget one day. If you'll not use it, if you learned everything and you're not using it, if you're not using it, you will forget it.
I'm in education business as well, you know. Just I'm running my school, and I'm just I have an educational consultancy as well.
See, if you are running a school, do something better for your kids. The kids who have the fear. Up till what age you have the school? Which class?
Just in 12.
12. Okay, now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. How many students fail in 10th and 12th in maths?
Yeah, that's right. It's the biggest challenge, you know. They are taking
biggest
notes.
Challenge is not that. See, biggest challenge is we know that
I was good in mathematics in my school level. You know, I have scored both compulsory and optional mathematics, both 100 in full maximum in my school living certificate.
That's what I told. I was so busy in my business, but this thought was, why do children commit suicide after 10th and 12th examinations results?
That's why I just want to learn this Vedic mathematics to, you know, just overcome the burden, mental burden of the.
The first, I told you, the first step was today you question. See, first thing is take out whatever you have inside, whatever queries, whatever doubts, whatever questions you have. That is the first step. Second step is go for a workshop and start whatever you learn in workshop, teach the same second day to one class, third day to another class. For 10 days, keep on teaching and see the confidence, see the, you know, happiness in the eyes of the kids.
Dr. Yogesh, my you know, this answer is not that. I will not make it my it is my profession, but I will share my children, you know. I will share.
That is what I am saying. See, you know? What is different between professionalism and sharing? Professionalism, don't charge. You're already running a school. You're already charging for this education.
Yes, I'm talking.
So give this additional benefit. That would be an advertisement for you. So don't.
Yes, I will share. I will share my student as a, complimentary to them. I will not charge,
Say it would be advertisement. I'll share. You just send me hi on my WhatsApp. I'll share you the advertisement of that school of Bangalore. See,
Okay.
if your
Okay.
students will excel, if number of students will pass in maths, so you'll not get benefited of it. You'll get it.
Yeah, of course I will
That's
get the benefit.
So it's not that for everything we should charge, na? So arrange
Yeah,
for a
that's-
workshop. I'll come there. I have to visit Dhangadi most probably on 20th or after Holi. So just plan it.
I can, just I'm running, educational consultancy in Kathmandu. I
What
can organize,
consultant?
I can manage educational consultant, abroad study,
Now,
as well.
okay, abroad study now. They're not going for any competition, and that means just pay and go.
No, there is, cut through competition.
If they are going for a competition, they might be. So you might be teaching maths then.
No, I'm not.
Well,
Just,
anybody. See, they have to clear exam in maths. Maths is always there in any competitive exam, na?
Yeah, that's right.
So why not to
think
train in that?
I think it's all of the world, even my life is related to the mathematics. I think,
You cannot avoid maths.
because I am a diehard fan of geometry,
Maths is maths is in nature. What is maths? Patterns. Even a big beehive that has pattern. Even a nest of a sparrow that is pattern. So basically it is a patterns only.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, any other?
I saw your advertisement in the Facebook and just I scroll and I feel so happy. I think it's a right option to learn the mathematics from Dr. Yogesh, and I just check your biography
Thank you very much.
and I decided to join your class, and that's why I just I
Okay.
get a call today.
Yes, Umesh is looking because local. He's looking for, yeah.
Okay, sure. Just I share your WhatsApp number, and I just personally want to talk you more about the.
This is my WhatsApp number. If you have given for the advertisement, I might have sent you a response also.
Okay, sure.
I have shared you this number again. Yes, anyone else?
Thank you so much, Dr. Yogesh.
Yes, Veena. Any further questions?
No, sir.
So how are you doing now?
Yeah, I'll call you personally and I'll tell you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So anyone has any further doubts or questions?
Anil sir, any questions, sir?
Because I have a class at 10, so.
Sir, at what time you'll be free, sir? Same like earlier in the morning.
One should not be free.
No, sir, I thought to just call you from long time, but I
No,
thought
it's
you
okay.
will be busy.
Busy तो रहना चाहिए ना?
Yeah, sir.
Right, so we'll wrap up the session. So if you have any further queries, you can, my number is with you. You can just WhatsApp me or call me back. Right?
Okay,
Thank you
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.